Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to wear our dark green Going Commando 4 ways. Let's get into it. Let's start with a full colour. Using Going Commando, apply 1 to 2 thin coats, making sure to cap the free edge. You can get closer to your cuticles by using your thin nail art brush. Cure for 60 seconds. Let's do a French tip. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of spilt milk, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Going Commando to the top of your silicone nail stamper. Gently press into the tip of your nail and move it from side to side to create a French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 30 seconds. Now let's add White Glaze Chrome Powder. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe your nail with a lint-free wipe moistened with nail polish remover. Rub White Glaze Chrome Powder in circular motions onto your nail with a chrome powder application sponge. Dust away excess chrome with a Gelous dust brush. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Let's create a blooming gel flower. Apply a thin coat of spilt milk and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of blooming gel, leaving uncured. Using Going Commando and your dotting tool, paint 5 dots in a circle to create a flower. Using your thin nail art brush, pull each petal towards the centre of the flower. Cure for 60 seconds. Using nail art glue and your dotting tool, put a dot in the centre of your flower. Using your dotting tool, place a gold rhinestone on top of the nail art glue. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Let us know your favourite design in the comments below. Thanks for watching.